Hey there, my name is Jer, and welcome back to my channel. GAF Weekend on the Nantahala is a new environment for many boaters. GAF stands for Guest Appreciation Festival, and that's when they do cascades and upper releases. For those that are unfamiliar with the area, the lower Nantahala is a Class 2-ish run, ends in a Class 3 rapid. The Upper Nantahala is a Class 3 run. And the Cascades are a Class 5 run. A lot of beginners start on the lower Nantahala with its Class 2 wave trains. And at the end of the summer, when GAF comes and the upper releases, they go and test their skills on the Class 3 Upper Nantahala.
All ready?
The rapids are long continuous, it's manky all the way through, and the eddies are often small and difficult to get to. And this tripped up a lot of people this weekend.
Oh, geez. Swimmer's good?
I have no idea.
Hey, second boat. Second boat.
I actually spent the majority of my time while on this run performing rescues and boat recoveries. And there's 3 specific ones that I want to look at. So this first time, I'm just going to let the video play, and then we'll look at it again with my thoughts.
It's a little manky. It's a little mankier than I remember.
Dude, I don't think I like this boat.
No? How come?
I have no control.
It's also because the rocks are everywhere.
Well,
You good? It's okay. Yeah. You good? You able to get out of it? Oh, you have to come out this way. Drive it, there you go.
Yeah, dude, I like.
Hey, let's make sure Amie makes it. You're good, you got it. Come on, Amie, you got it. Hey. You're okay, you're okay. You good?
All the way.
Yep, all the way in. You're good. We got you. We got you. She's good.
Okay. Have her grab the boat and pull it up on the bank so you can get out of the way.
Yeah, I'm gonna swing it around to me.
I just don't want to let it go. You have a walk.
Amie, you good?
Am I swim around?
Give her a sec. She's swimming pretty far away.
You know what? What we'll probably do is just slide out the back, grab the bow, and pull it out. We got something. Okay.
I'm gonna spin this towards you.
Is she okay? She said she is.
All right, we got a man right here. John, make sure your foot doesn't get it. You got it? If you can roll it, you can put her on the bow of mine as well. Another guy? Yeah.
Alright, so let's take a second look at this. Bear in mind, this is my first time using this screen capture software. So bear with me through any mistakes I may make. But here we go. So right off the bat, first thing I notice is that coming out of this rapid, Amie does not look super comfortable. And I just keep that in the back of my mind as we're going through. And in this conversation with Grant, I'm looking over and I realized she gets herself pinned right over there. So I work my way out of the settee over to her and see if I can offer help. And you can't see it here because there just happens to be a freaking water splatter on the screen right there. But down that channel is tons of rocks and trees. It's just not somewhere that you want to be. So I'm trying to tell her, hey, see if you can work yourself out of that. But based on the way she's pinned, it's not very likely.
Yeah, you able to get out of it? Oh, you have to come out this way.
And so knowing that something bad can happen, I elect to catch the very next eddy that I come across. And I'm sitting here watching what she does next.
Drive it, there you go.
At this point I notice she begins to start moving and she starts to head down. So I decide to keep pace with her and head down with her as well. Here I am just glancing back and forth, making sure that she's still good all the way through her section.
You're good, you got it.
I just celebrate just a little bit too early as she pins herself on a rock right over there. So once again, I catch the next eddy, make sure we're good. And you can't really see it either, but she's no longer upright. And so I signal to Dawn, hey, something's going on here. And we're sitting here hoping to intercept her boat if or when she swims. Unfortunately, I managed to pin myself while waiting. And I'm a little slow to getting myself off of my pin. Unfortunately, that slowness meant I couldn't really intercept her. And so as I continue to work myself off and trying to keep eyes on the boat, I see she's not that far ahead. And so I work my way to catch up here. Unfortunately, there just aren't any good eddies here for us to get her to. I blow my whistle to signal to the guys below that, hey, we have a swimmer coming down. And at this point, I think the river left eddy is the one that we can try to aim for. And so me and Dawn are able to secure the boat and get it over. And we're able to get her in the eddy as well.
All the way in. You're good. We got you.
Now something to note here is that as soon as we get within distance, immediately this guy in the 9R gets hands on the boat and assists with us. This guy in the orange, I don't know what boat this is, but he's immediately as well holding on to my boat and keeping me in place. And so overall, just awesome help from strangers in the eddy today, or last weekend, you know what I mean, with this rescue. Right now there's a little bit of confusion. You can actually see Amie's shoe. I just ran over right, oh, missed it. Right there. But she seems to be safe for now.
Amie, you good?
And we're just confirming that she is actually okay. Here Dawn comes along and is able to fully recover the boat.
Alright, we got a man right here. Don, make sure the foot doesn't get it. You got it? If you can roll it, you can put it on the bow of mine as well.
And then we hear the whistle for another swimmer. So yeah, there's that quick analysis of that first rescue that I wanted to show you all. Definitely leave a comment with things that we did well, could have done better. I know just off the top of my head that I really should not have gotten myself pinned. It did not help that situation at all. And yeah, that's all I have for you all today. Thanks for paddling with me, and I will see you all next time.